So I got all these peaches, and I got them for $5 for all these peaches. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice them up, and I am going to make, I am going to freeze them. I know I look a little rough. I'm going to freeze them on a parchment paper, some of them, and I'm going to make peach cobbler in the morning. And I just wanted to tell you, don't be afraid to buy seconds, you know, on anything. And as a matter of fact, I got this green pepper for nothing because it was beat up and and I got this giant tomato because it had a couple bad spots, and I'm going to make a beautiful toasted tomato sandwich out of that in the morning. So anyway, just a little quick video. I know I've been neglecting you guys. I just have a lot going on. And I will show you my peach cobbler in the morning and how I do it. I'll just show you, look at all these beautiful slices I'm getting. And it's just because they were overly soft and just have like little spots on them. So here we go. I'm on my last peach. And look at all these peaches I got for $5. You can't beat it. And what I'm going to do is I think for right now, I mean, look at that amount of peaches. Huge. So I'm going to put them on parchment paper, flat, and freeze them. And then I'm putting them in Ziploc bags. And I'll have peaches for smoothies, whatever I want. I don't think I'm going to make a cobbler because it's just me here. So anyway, thanks for watching. I know not much to it, but bye. I did decide that I am going to cook some of these down because I had too many for the freezer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in the pan here. Man, did I get a lot of peaches. That is crazy. And I'm going to simmer these. And I think I'm going to put sugar and cornstarch. Once they get cooked down, I'm going to add some sugar and cinnamon. And I am going to add maybe a half a cup of water. Good old Michigan water. And I'll show you what we got when I get them cooked down. I made some peach like filling that I'm going to freeze, and I'm going to put it in these containers right here, and it's going to be for peach pies and just all kinds of stuff for peaches. Just thought I'd share that with you. Hope you enjoyed my little video. Just a little quick video to remind you I'm still here. Thanks for watching. Bye.